Choosing the right co-working software can be crucial because you're going to run your entire business on that solution. There's Archie, Office R&D, Optics, Coworks, and a few others. Now in this video, I want to help you understand what's more important to your specific needs, and from there being able to evaluate which vendor is best match. Before starting, keep in mind that co-working software isn't really used as a standalone solution, but it needs to integrate into other parts of your business and your tech stack, whether it's payments, whether it's physical access, Wi-Fi, or anything like that. But basically, through this software, you're looking at covering different aspects of your business, from sales processes to community management features. On the sales and marketing side, you have features to market your space, issue day passes, or track amount of tours given to prospective members, pre-membership features that will help your business have visibility into what's working, into your conversion rate from tour to member, and overall your sales and marketing performance. Community is the backbone of a well-working and profitable co-working business. So features like in-app messaging, email communication, events are also very important. You have membership management features, so making it easy for users to have visibility into their membership tiers, being able to upgrade or downgrade, obviously to perform payments, download invoices, and all of those things. Operations, this might be one of the most crucial aspects of co-working software. If you have a setup where you offer hot desking, then you need desk booking features, meeting room booking features, maybe with a credit system, Wi-Fi integrations, printers, door access. So when you create a new member or maybe a visitor, then they automatically have access to your workspace. The operations side is particularly important because on one hand, it needs to create a smooth and simple experience for your members, but on the other hand, it needs to empower your team to understand how members are using your space, trends, how your membership base is growing, and all of those things. Amenities, you may offer the possibility to purchase food and drinks or other items through your platform, so those are kind of e-commerce features. One last thing is regarding monetization features outside of your membership base. So if you open up your space for events, or maybe allowing external people to book meeting rooms, or maybe you have a podcasting room, anything that you can monetize in terms of physical resources, the needs and the workflows would be a little bit different. Those are some of the things that a lot of co-working owners may not think about at the beginning, because they're really obviously the big chunk of the revenue will come from your membership base, but further down the road, they will look at other ways to monetize their space, increase profitability, and that's where some of these things can play a really important role. Now, a lot of solutions will cover all of your basic needs. The way you can understand which software is a better fit is to look at things like setup and onboarding. In some cases, it can be a pretty tedious and lengthy process to set up your workspace, because as I mentioned, there are so many different aspects to co-working software, different parts of the product, different features and use cases. So the setup can actually be a little bit complex, and usability can be a little bit complex too. So if you have the opportunity to demo the solution in a sandbox environment, or even with a fully usable demo account, that can give you an idea of how easy or difficult it's going to be to set up the tool and to use it over time. Another thing is to look at the UI and usability of the product from the member perspective. So most solutions offer a white label version of the product, so they're not going to have that software co-working app on their phone. They're going to have your own brand, so they will interact with your own brand. So the software is actually invisible, and you'll want to make sure that the usability is where it needs to be in terms of being able to perform actions easily, not requiring onboarding, because members, unlike your own staff, they're not going to spend a lot of time trying to understand the product. It needs to be intuitive and work right away for them. So that's also a good test to perform, not only to look at things from the admin point of view, but also from the end user perspective. And other than that, really test how well it would work with your tech stack. If you have access control in place, if you have printers, if you have like hardware or software that you want to integrate with, understand how well different vendors would accomplish those needs. I'm hoping you found this video useful. We're gonna talk a lot more about co-working. We're covering a lot of topics from profitability to running a successful space to building a strong community. So stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.